Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Artie of Artie's Corporate Fiction. How are you guys doing this fine Saturday evening? We haven't done a Sovereign Citizen specific bingo in a long time, and I figured it's, you know, it feels like a good night for that. There's been a lot of Sovereign Citizen hearings. Van Balian has posted a handful of new videos, but I want to take a look at those hearings because they feature a fan favorite judge, Mr. Judge Simpson. So we're going to take a look at a couple of those, and we're going to go from there. Some updates. Nothing new yet. I'm trying my best not to binge the Fallout series. It's still pretty awesome so far. I'm trying not to binge. I'm trying to like take my time with it. The other not so good news. Just checking something. Not so good news. Mike, I have his first vet appointment on Tuesday. A little bastard has worms, but it's nothing too serious. I'm sure it'll clear up after some work done. But yeah. Meanwhile, beyond that, I think there's nothing much really to update. Tonight's choice is Einstock. Arctic, it's a Icelandic beer. I heard it was good, so I guess we'll figure that out. Yeah. It's nasty. I all but confirmed it. It's yeah. Anyway. Everybody get your bingo cards out. The link is pinned at the top of chat. You will be going along when somebody claims bingo, announce it in chat, we'll confirm it, and once it's confirmed, we will reset the board, and yeah, we'll where do I get the beers that aren't brewed by the friend of the channel? There's a store I usually go to that's nearby. So all right, let's also may or may not be playing Fallout 4 in the background, but you know. All right, what is this one about?
Okay, I'm sorry for the delay. Mr. Christopher Lewis, are you there? City of Detroit versus Christopher Perry Lewis, case number SP 151-06611. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
Uh-oh.
I don't have an attorney. I'm representing myself. I articulated that at the last hearing.
Have we watched this guy? I don't even remember.
Okay, I apologize.
Thank you.
All right, today is the
She just dodged a bullet there.
date. Good morning, Mr. Lewis. Today is the date and time set for a ring on the bench warrant. I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on his behalf. I'm gonna give him a $0 bond. Mr. Lewis, you said you were here last time. Why did you miss your date?
I actually didn't miss the date. I actually sent you a motion today to show you proof that I was actually in the hearing, and I was locked out of the hearing after an hour of waiting. As well as I sent you a motion for dismissal as well. I sent it last week. Yes, I sent it last week, but I resent it today, and I sent it in a Zoom chat as well to the prosecutor, the clerk, reporter, as well as the clerk.
I didn't get that motion, either of those motions.
Is there any way you have availability to look at the Zoom message, right? I sent it to not only your email, but the Zoom chat as well.
I need it in my email. I don't
sent it twice.
Zoom.
I could tell you my email if you want to search it, but you should have it twice in your email. I resent it.
What's your email? What's your email?
Okay, I'm resending it at the moment.
I'm gonna put my email address in the chat. And
hey, Annie, thank you for the $5 super chat. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Annie. That's sweet of you, and I feel so bad for that cat.
I'll put my email so you'll have it, and send that to me, and I'll have an opportunity to read that. I'll confirm that you sent. I'll wait to confirm that you send it to me, and I'll give you a date. The next court date is going to be a pretrial date on May the 28th, 2024 at 8:30. You need to get a copy of that to the city attorney as well.
I actually just sent it to the prosecutor as well. Dia Mason, is that her?
Yes.
Prosecutor? Yes, I did just send her an attachment. If she could send me a confirmation that she received it.
Get it to her email address. So Mrs. Mason, you put your email address in the chat as well, so Mr. Lewis can get you a copy of that.
I really appreciate that.
File of that motion, those motions that it has. All right. I'm gonna wait on that. Once I confirm that you gave me that, I will recall the case. All right, let's pass that matter. Mr. Lewis, I have not received anything in my email address. So I'll wait.
Sent it to the same email. The prosecutor told me that she did receive it as well. I'm not sure.
I haven't received it yet.
Okay,
So
I sent it in your Zoom. I sent it in your Zoom inbox.
I haven't received it yet.
I don't know what you want me to say. I sent it 3 times, sir. I have a screenshot to show you that it was delivered.
Well, you can't have a screenshot to show it was delivered to me because I haven't received it. I'm sitting here looking at my email right now.
Can you check possibly your spam, or I don't know? But the prosecutor did receive it, and I sent y'all in the same email together. With the same email that you sent me today, with the same one I already sent you twice.
I have not received it. All right. I suggest you check that email address. There's a period in there. I don't know if you put the period in there, Mr. Lewis, but I have not received it yet.
I'm not sure if you have access to your Zoom inbox, but I'm showing you screenshots as well as I attached the actual motion in the Zoom as well, if you could see.
I'm not looking at the Zoom. I can't print it out from the Zoom. I'm looking at my email address. I want it in my email address.
Well, I did send it to your court reporter. Can they print it out possibly?
They possibly can if they have it.
All right. Well, can they confirm that they did have it, that they did receive it in their Zoom inbox since they're not on the call?
Sir?
Ooh.
Sir, did you send it to the court reporter or the clerk?
I sent it to both, actually. I sent it to all the officers of the court today.
Well, I'm gonna send you my email in the chat.
I sent them mine. I still haven't got it. So he's doing something wrong with the email.
Oh, well, I'm not sure if the prosecutor, Miss Mason, is still on call.
If she can forward it to me, that would be helpful.
Right, because she did receive it, and your name is attached to the same email she just confirmed that she received it with. So if she could tell me that there was an error at some, with the email, I would appreciate it.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Christopher Lewis.
Okay.
I have received this motion.
Uh-oh. Oh, so now we get the motion we're all waiting for, and I wonder what it's going to be.
And I read the first couple of lines of it, and that I'm not concerned necessarily about the March 18th incident. I don't know what happened on that day, but you are here now. So we'll move forward.
Excuse me, sir. I heard you say that you only read the first couple lines. Is there any way we could possibly take another case until you get the chance to read the entire thing?
Oh, uh-oh. I don't know if the judge's going to appreciate that.
It's only
No,
2
I
pages.
can't. I'm not going to read this entire thing today.
It's only like 3 paragraphs, the entire thing. The rest are just case sightings.
All right, I'm gonna deny the motion. I will set the matter for
Is there
a
any way I can get
trial.
a written? Can I get a written articulation as to why you deny
He wants findings of facts and conclusions of law.
the motion?
I'm denying the motion,
I would just appreciate
because
a written excuse. Can I get a
I'm
written
not
articulation?
gonna give it to you in writing.
Are we on record? Are we on record?
You're always on record.
Okay. Is this court bound by the U.S. Constitution and Supreme Court?
Here we go. All right. Now it took a little while to start the engines, but now we're ready to go.
Yes.
Okay, you were denying my motion when I said that I had Fourth Amendment violations, and you're saying that you're denying my motion without looking into it or granting me a hearing to go over my motion, or give me an articulation as to why, or written excuse as to why. I want to make sure that that's what you're saying to me.
You're asking for a change of venue. I'm denying that.
I'm saying that I know there's a motion for dismissal, and I'm saying that you, as an Article 1 judge under the Commerce Clause, if you're not going to uphold my due process and my Fourth Amendment, I'm saying that maybe we could change venues where I could get a real judge.
Oh no! Now he truly has insulted the judge. Oh boy! Oh boy!
To dismiss. Okay. I'll set a trial date for you, so you can be heard on that type of form.
I insist that the court give me a
excuse
as to why you're denying my motion, so I could take that to the tenor. Okay.
Take that to the who? You want to.
Okay, I appreciate that, but I'm telling you, you're telling me today why you're not going to look into it or give me a hearing. That's so I can go over the evidence that I have to present to go with my motion. You don't want to do any of that, so I'm just asking that you can give me a written excuse that I could go take and complain against you on. That's violating my due process. You didn't even give me the chance to say we're going to schedule a evidentiary hearing or something like that. You're going to sit up here and disregard that when I made genuine claims and put genuine evidence in there, overwhelming. So at the end of the day, like I said, there's no crime. This is a fraudulent charge. Y'all don't have, there's no suspect. Y'all suspect me for no crime. There's no victim, no losses. Okay?
No victim, no crime. I'm not going to count that as injured party yet.
And in a minute, it's going to be malicious prosecution. So I'm asking you to dismiss this charge or change the venue. And if you refuse to do that, I'm asking you for a written excuse so I can take it to the tenor, sir. That's what I'm telling you.
Who is the tenor?
Because if not, I'm going to go to the tenor without it and let them know that you refuse to give me a written excuse, and you refuse to give me an evidentiary hearing, but you just straight denied it. When you just 5 minutes ago, you said you didn't even read it. Now you just denied it. That's conflict of interest. That's bias. That's all that. So
conflict of interest.
All on record. If you feel just as strongly as you feel, give me a written excuse. If not, let's change venue. Because you're Article 1 judge under the Commerce Clause. This conflict of interest, you only here to make money, man. You know what I'm saying?
Oh!
No crime. Ain't no victim or no loss, bro.
I'm not your, listen, I'm not your man.
Look, sir. Hey, sir, respectfully,
not
you're Article 1 judge under the Commerce Clause. You've been on the bench since what, 21? Couple years? You need to talk to somebody. I'm asking you.
Oh my fuck. Oh my god. Oh my God, the level of disrespect. Oh man. Oh, that could earn him a contempt charge. Holy shit. Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh no.
To give me an evidentiary hearing to go over my motion for dismissal with the overwhelming evidence or change venue. Because if not, I'm going straight to the tender right after this. And that's on you, sir. You had this. You did this.
Oh, all right. Now I'll let you
Straight
speak.
like that.
No, that's all we need. I don't want to hear any
All
more
right,
from
cool.
you.
It's cool.
You made your
I
you
appreciate
made
it.
your record.
You,
Now,
this
don't
due
interrupt
process
me.
that this
I
a
didn't
due
interrupt
process
you.
violation. This a due process violation right now. And the way y'all tried to railroad me when I was ready to argue my trial. I told you I was here to argue my trial. Y'all locked me out. Now you're trying to start the process over. They not prepared to present a case. I'm telling you. They're not prepared to present an injured party, sir. What we doing?
Oh, finally, injured party. There we go. We finally heard it. Whew. Finally got one.
Listen. Please do not say any more. You've already made your record. I've given you that opportunity. If you continue on, especially interrupting me while I'm talking, because I didn't interrupt you while you were talking. I'm not your bro, I'm not your man, and I'm not to be interrupted when I'm speaking. I gave you the respect and the right to speak. Just because you're unsatisfied with the way that I ruled, then that's not my problem. You
Okay,
take
let's do
whatever.
price the tenor.
Wait a minute. Let me say it.
Uh-oh.
Let me say it. You
Muted.
take whatever recourse that you feel that is necessary. Now, what I can do, Mr. Lewis, is I can set you a jury trial date. And at that jury trial date, you will have an opportunity to represent yourself or do whatever you want to do and put all your proofs on the record by a jury of your peers, and you can argue it that way, okay?
I appreciate that, but I was still like a written.
You order the transcript. You order the transcript. It's in the transcript. You asked me to read the couple of paragraphs that you made. Most of the paragraphs was referencing the incident on March 18th, as you and I'm not even debating or disputing it. I said I'm not concerned about March 18th or any missed date. I said that the most of what you're saying is in the it's not you know, I'm not even going to hold you to that, but in paragraph 2. Moreover, I want to emphasize that the initial charge against me in this court is fraudulent. I don't know that to be the case. That's why I'm giving you an opportunity to have a jury trial, and they can make the determination. Neither the complaining witness or the prosecution is prepared at any point of this case to present an injured party or any reported damages/losses. So it becomes abundantly clear that every proceeding taking place is strictly an attempt to seek funds where there is no crime and not seek real justice. So we are giving you real justice, because if you say that there's been no crime, then you have a right to a trial. And that's what I'm giving you. So I was assaulted, detained, and my property illegally searched and seized with no suspicion of crime at the hands of the complaining witness, Joshua Martin, and assisting officers. I do not consent to these fraudulent proceedings.
There it is.
And demand that the court dismiss the charge.
I do not consent.
Immediately with the appropriate remedies. And I'm dismissing the motion based on that, because I am giving you a proper forum to argue your case. Or allow me the right to change the proper venue of federal court where my U.S. constitutional rights will be upheld and not disregarded by Article 1 judge under the Commerce Clause. I don't understand that of the United States Constitution, indicating a clear conflict of interest. I do not wish.
No, a state court judge is not an Article 1 judge. I know you guys know that, but yeah, it's
to proceed with this matter. You don't have to proceed any further because I'm dismissing the case. He did cite some case law. It was at Sherrar v. Cullen, 481 Federal 2nd 945. For a crime to exist, there must be an injured party.
That is incorrect. That is, I believe that's a fake quote. It's usually cited by sovereign citizens. Yeah, again, they most sovereign citizens don't believe that state courts are a thing. That all judicial bodies are either are like federal courts or some shit, like either under Article 1 or Article 3. And they always assume that a state court is under Article 1 and therefore is illegitimate for one reason or another.
Corpus delicti, there can be no sanction or penalty imposed on one because of the U.S. constitutional right. Louisville versus Motley, 211 U.S. 149, South 29 S period court CT 42. Any tribunal court finds absence of proof of jurisdiction over a person or subject matter, the case must be dismissed. The accuser bears the burden of proof beyond a reasonable doubt. All right, so I'm dismissing the motion. All right, so you want a trial date? Give me a jury trial date, please, Ms. Memphis. And you can get.
Pope, the reason why they call it an Article 1 court is that there is such a thing as Article 1 courts. There is such a thing as Article 1 and Article 3 courts. Article 1 courts are courts that are created via it's through like an act of Congress. They're congressional courts. They're courts that are created to enact like to enforce a congressional legislation. So for example, the tax court is an Article 1 court, or a bankruptcy court is an Article 1 court. Whereas the usual district courts, as we all know them, the federal district courts, the circuit courts, those are the Article 3 courts.
A copy of that record on of what we just made by going through the proper channels of the court to get the court reporter to produce that record.
I can't even get the court reporter to respond to my voice messages or you to respond to my emails, sir.
The court is not going to respond to your voice message. The court reporter is going to respond to you coming
The 36th
down.
district told me to call her today, that I was locked out of my trial date. I had a scheduled trial. The court told me to call her that day, and I called her that day, and she still hasn't responded. So I'm
Shucklers, thank you for the $20 super chat. Thank you, man.
trying to see if the court that you work for is trying to tell me how the appropriate channels, and then y'all doing it different in y'all court. What am I to do?
I think you're talking about the court clerk and not the court reporter. This is a distinct.
Yeah, I was told to call the clerk the day that I was locked out, the moment I was locked out.
We've moved past that getting locked out.
But that was my trial date.
Yeah, so I'm giving you
How soon can I get another trial date, sir? How soon can I get another trial date? That's what I'm asking.
That's what we're trying to do now.
A jury trial.
A jury trial. I'm gonna let the jury of his peers hear what he has to say.
It looks like it's going to be.
July 23rd, 2024 at 9 a.m.
July 23rd?
Yeah, 2024 at 9 a.m. We'll have a final pretrial the day before.
Why would we need a final pretrial? Why would we need a final pretrial?
Because I said I wanted one.
That's how you protecting your interest. You protecting your interest, and you're gonna dismiss it on that day. So you trying to play with me? You could dismiss it today.
Oh no!
You literally, but
a final pretrial 8:30.
You are literally violating my due process. You can't even give me a written excuse, but you want all this whole.
I mean, the fact that he's calling it an excuse, a written excuse, is already pretty disrespectful. What he should be saying is that he wants findings of fact and conclusions of law written. But the fact that he's calling it an excuse is pretty disrespectful. Like, the judge's opinion doesn't really matter to him.
Mr. Lewis, I know you don't want counsel, but is it
For the
possible?
love of God, shut up.
Hey, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. I am in pro se.
Go to
I'm in pro se.
Go wherever you want to. final pretrial
I
July
am. It's all good.
22nd, and
I
trial
am.
date is going to be July 23rd. All the parties must appear on the final pretrial date, and the jury, and that can be on Zoom. And the next day, the jury trial date is in person. Have a very good day, Mr. Green. Best of luck to you.
That's not my name.
I don't know, Mr. Lewis. I'm sorry. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Who?
All right, let's go move on. Put him out the room, please.
Oh boy, that was fun. Hey, Shadow Warren, thank you for the $5. I was actually expecting a lot more in the bingos, but don't worry, we got plenty. All right. Here's one from Mr. Simpson. I think Mr. Simpson. Forgive me, Judge Simpson. Judge Simpson. Where is it?
Court calls case People versus Tariq Day.
What?
Nimish Ganatra, Senior Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the People.
That can't be Taj Tariq Bey.
Hello, Tariq Samar Tariq Day here.
Already Judge Portia, Fleecer Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Day.
He's there. Can you turn on your camera, sir?
No, it's not Taj.
Contract with a public
No,
defense,
no, that's not Taj. What? Is he a union guy and he's doing this crap? Dang it!
public defender's office.
You what?
I don't have any contract with the public defender's office to represent me.
You don't have a contract with them?
Correct.
Yes, Judge. I reached out to Mr. Day to try to help pre-try this case.
This is gonna be a Bellinger thing?
I think so, Judge.
Okay, go for it.
My understanding is
Uh-oh.
that he had another counsel that he's gonna have, I believe, on his file. And I wish him good luck if that's the case, but I don't see another attorney here. So I don't know what's going on, Your Honor.
No,
Mr. Day?
I'm defending myself. I told him I would notify the court that I relieved him of any implied obligations to this case.
Oh no.
So you're gonna represent yourself?
I'm defending myself, correct.
Uh-oh.
Okay, then you need to be here.
Yeah.
Now.
Now.
As I told the court, I requested a Zoom hearing because I have COVID. So there's no way I can.
You have COVID, but you look like you're going to work. What the fuck? Come on, man.
In a vehicle with a hat on, no mask. Oh,
Thank
What'd
you,
you say?
the lead driver, for the 199 super chat.
I said yes because I'm inside my vehicle right now. I work outside. I'm away from the general public.
did you
So
go
there's
to
no-
the hospital
Yes.
regarding the COVID diagnosis?
Excuse me?
Have you been to the doctor regarding the COVID diagnosis?
It's against my religion.
Okay, so here's what you're gonna do. Then
Hospitals are the devil.
I'm gonna say, okay, you got COVID. I want you here. When's our last block? 3 o'clock today. Wear a mask if you're gonna represent yourself.
I can't make that. Is there a later date?
Oh,
3:30?
yeah, you can.
Oh.
3:30, I can make that.
There you go.
I'll be here at 3 o'clock.
Well, I'll be there at 3:30, and if there's any issue, then we can.
Okay, and at 3 o'clock, I may issue a bench warrant. Be here at 3 o'clock. I'll pay.
Ooh.
Thank
Uh-oh.
you.
There's no bench warrant to be issued because this court didn't have.
Okay, I'll determine that at 3 o'clock.
Oh,
The court,
he.
3 o'clock.
I'll give it. He said it. He said it. I'm sure he's gonna say jurisdiction later on, but I'll give it that. He said it halfway. He's gonna say it anyway. Don't worry about it. Later on. 1 second. Hold on. Gotta fix something. There you go.
Thank you.
This court does not have jurisdiction.
You're welcome, Mr. Feaster. Cut it.
There,
down.
hey, there it is.
Folks, why don't we do this? Give me about 3 minutes.
Oh boy.
I'm gonna take a recess, then I'm gonna come back, because everything's going downhill, and it's those two guys' fault talking to each other. Orders in recess.
All right.
Does call the case, people state of Michigan versus Tariq Day.
Tariq Day.
What's your name?
Tariq Samar Tariq Day, the executive of the Tariq Samar Tariq Day Living Trust.
Living Trust. There we go.
Owner, Tariq Wilson Estate.
What?
Sir, you indicated that you wish to represent yourself on this matter.
Yes,
All right, you understand at your arraignment, you were given the charges that were filed, have been filed against you?
I was given a charge. So if there were any additional, I was not given those charges. The only charge I got was a fleeing and eluding,
Fleeing and eluding third degree.
third degree,
Nice.
correct. And if anything else was tallied onto that, then I was not told.
Okay. I have one charge.
Okay,
That is a felony punishable by up to 5 years incarceration and $1,000 fine plus court costs. The Secretary of State would be required upon your conviction to suspend your license for a period of 1 year. You understand that, sir?
I do, but I have some questions.
As soon as I get through this, you have indicated that you wish to represent yourself. I have to advise you that there are some dangers in you representing yourself. You understand that, sir?
Mm-hmm.
Do comprehend.
And you.
Yeah, he won't say understand. He has to say stand under. I comprehend. There it is.
If you proceed to represent yourself, if the court is not going to assist you to understand the procedures or anything regarding the court proceeding, that you will be responsible for that, and I will be holding you to the same standard that I would be holding the attorneys in the room in terms of even ruling on evidence or anything along those lines in regard to the procedure and the process. You understand that, sir?
Correct, I comprehend.
All right. You also, so I will ask you again, do you still continue to wish to represent yourself in this matter?
Yes, I will be defending myself.
You understand also, sir, that should you change your mind and could not afford to hire an attorney and wish to be represented by an attorney, the court would consider making sure that you are afforded counsel. You understand that?
I comprehend.
How do you wish to proceed on this matter, sir?
First,
Oh, he did say that he's like a benefit as like he was like the something or another for like for the living trust, right? I'll count that. Yeah, I'll give you that. Yep, I'll count that. Executor beneficiary.
I wanted like an oral motion for dismissal based on the fact of the lack of probable cause and also the lack of personal and subject matter jurisdiction based on the fact that this is a trust matter from the name to the private conveyance that was stolen by
Conveyance.
the third party Wall Street Towing and impounded on the colorful law actions of Officer Trowbridge of the Washington
Did you say color? Did you say colorable or colorful?
County Sheriff's Department. Also, I have not been able to, as of Constitution Amendment 6, being able to face my accuser. With the state of Michigan being a fictitious entity.
Oh, there it is.
No, injured party. There's
no injured party.
Submitted. And again, to the probable cause of the initial stop and the arrest cannot be proven. There was no probable cause for the arrest or stop. There was no warrant on hand for the arresting officer to conduct an arrest. And even more so, again, as I stated, this is trust property, so this court doesn't have jurisdiction to adjudicate over the foreign trust.
Done.
You done?
Finished?
Oh, no, actually, I was also moving to place you and the clerk as fiduciaries over the trust. And I will be able to supply you all with the adequate assurance, certificate of security to settle and offset the charges.
Well, you will be doing nothing to me and nothing to my clerk. So whatever that motion was, that's denied. As to your other motion regarding all of that,
Mess.
quite frankly, it doesn't make any sense. We haven't even had the probable cause hearing. There will be a determination at the next stage as to whether or not there's probable cause regarding the charges.
I was told this was a probable cause hearing,
This is a probable cause hearing.
so I don't understand what you're saying.
I know you don't understand.
That They're not having a probable cause.
Pardon?
You said that no probable cause was had, but then you said that this is a probable cause hearing.
You have not had your preliminary examination, at which there will be a determination as to whether or not there's probable cause to believe that the crime has been committed and you committed it. That is the next stage. That has not happened. So to the extent that your motion is even valid, which I do not believe that it is, and certainly you may raise it at a later date, but to the extent that it's valid, at least at this point, your motion is premature, and therefore your motion is denied.
Denied.
Anything else?
Nah.
Well, lastly, I want to also put on the record,
For the record.
I wasn't able to provide all my exhibits based on, as I told you, I was
You weren't able to do what?
provide my exhibits
To whom?
to the court to help for my defense, the evidences.
You haven't had a hearing yet.
I comprehend it. I'm just saying that I usually have.
We're not there yet, though.
See me before any hearings take place, and I wasn't able to because I was under the weather. That was my point. So they will be here, if not by the end of the day in the drop-off box, and you'll have them tomorrow. But you all will be served with the proper documents, and the taxes as well will be filed on the case.
Okay.
Anything else?
No, not at this time.
All right, so how would you like to proceed next on this?
Entering a plea of demurrer.
A plea of
You've
what?
already done that.
I've already entered a plea of demurrer.
Okay.
I'm not sure when that took place other than right now.
That took place on the arraignment on the complaint, sir.
I never pleaded demurrer.
You stood mute, you stood demure. You don't even know what that means. You're just using words and have no concept as to what they mean.
Demurrer and mute are two separate things, but that's neither here nor there.
No, they're not. You have no legal degree. They are not. They are not.
No need to.
They are not.
I'm not here.
They are virtually the same thing. So where do you wish to proceed now?
As I stated, my
Do
motion,
you wish this set for preliminary examination? Your motions have been
I
denied.
wish for the prosecution to provide the evidence that any of this needs.
You
to be-
don't have discovery on this case. Is that what you're asking?
I'm not asking for discovery whatsoever.
So what are you asking for?
I stated that the prosecution needs to prove that a crime was committed, and they also need to show and prove that there is an injured party for the crime to have even been committed.
As I've indicated, you will have that hearing. Do you wish to have discovery?
Discovery should be provided regardless. It's no.
Did he say? I don't think he said legal fiction, but he said like fictional, like a fictional entity or something like that. I mean, all right, I'll give it to you, but that's the last one I'm going to be charitable on. Okay. I'll give it to you, but that's the last one I'm going to be charitable.
A wish about it.
Do you wish to have
Discovery should be
discovery?
provided.
Don't play word games with me.
I'm not playing.
Mr. Allen,
Discovery.
not
Sovereign citizen BS is literally word games. And now you are pissing off Judge Simpson.
Play word games with me. You're playing with the wrong judge. You can smile and smirk all you want.
I'm not trying.
I'm giving you your warning.
I love how the sheriffs are going right behind him. It's like it's like they're give me just say the word, Judge. Just say the word. They have him right behind him, ready to go. Ooh, stare down.
I will ask you again. Do you wish to have discovery provided to you?
Yes.
Do we have copies of discovery available that can be provided to this defendant?
Your Honor, I know that the PD was representing this individual. I don't have copies right now.
I got you. Okay. Mansour, are there copies of the police report as well as other discovery that's in the hands of the public defender's office?
I do see traffic stops and discovery videos onto our program.
All right.
Documents.
All right. Those need to be gotten to the defendant. How soon can those be gotten to the defendant?
I can get those in hopefully by tomorrow around.
You have an address for him to send those to him?
Yes, I do. I can confirm it with him too.
All right. What do you have as the address? Do you have an address on, is it share?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay.
Don't worry, guys. We do have traffic stops on the docket today, so don't worry.
Okay, gotcha. All right. You'll make sure that that is sent to him. You also have an email address so that all things can be emailed to him also.
I do, Your Honor.
All right. Very good. Sir, did you wish to then have another PCC or did you wish to proceed immediately to preliminary examination?
I would like to first have a jurisdiction hearing.
There it is.
What kind of jurisdiction here?
Personal and subject matter.
Okay,
Why?
go ahead and raise it because I can deal with it right now. What's the personal jurisdiction?
Oh no.
This court, as well as the state, lacks personal jurisdiction. I'm simply here under threat and duress of coercion of.
Oh, there it is.
that you,
Threat.
Put out a bench.
Duress, duress, coercion. I'll count that. I'm being too nice tonight. What is wrong with me?
Warrant for my arrest. The subject matter in regards to the name as well as the vessel that was used is again under it was conveyed and is held and protected within the trust. And according to Article 1, Section 10, and Clause 2 of the United States Constitution, there could be no legislative laws that could intercede or to interrupt the functioning of a contract.
What? Hang on a second. Hold on a second. What did he say again?
This Constitution, there could be no legislative law. Article 1, Section 10, and Clause 2 of the
Section 10. No state shall, without the consent of Congress, lay any imposts or duties on imports or exports except what may be absolutely necessary for executing its inspection laws. That talks about that states cannot impose its own like tariffs, like international tariffs. Regardless, doesn't matter whether your car is in a trust, it can still be stopped by police and impounded. What? Anyway, moving on.
The United States Constitution, there could be no legislative laws that could intercede or to interrupt the functioning of a contract, which the trust is and is properly in the trust.
Even if you were citing the right clause that talks about the restrictions on the restrictions on imposing on contracts, the fact that your car is in a trust doesn't mean it's immune from state law. That doesn't work. That's not how it works, or else everybody will put their car in a trust to get out of following traffic laws.
Trust is properly functioning at this time. So with that.
All right, so here's what we'll do, because you're rambling again. So what we will do is you will put all of your jurisdictional arguments in writing, because you're wrong. So we might as well get it in writing that you're wrong. Because I have subject matter jurisdiction over you, and I have personal jurisdiction over you under the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of Michigan.
Checkmate.
So if you want to put your objections to jurisdiction in writing, you may do so, and then I will address those in due course.
Awesome. So that would be the next step, and I can get those in today.
No, that is not the next step. Either you're going to have another PCC. If you want me to set it for a hearing, I'll set it for a hearing.
Yeah, for the jurisdiction.
But I have nothing to set a hearing on. You have not filed anything regarding jurisdiction.
Okay, so for right now, as of this moment, PCC is fine, and then I will file the proper documents for the jurisdictional hearing. Gotcha.
All right. Thank you for the $20.
So probably I'll adjourn.
Thank you for the $20. Take it.
Conference in this case, April 25th, 2024, at 3 p.m.
Is it possible to get another week for
person
to provide to accumulate my documents for my defense?
Is there what?
Is it possible to have that extended out another week so that I can provide my?
I'm going to set it 25th.
I mean, I was on the call. I've heard you give multiple councils extended times. So what is the bias?
I have no bias against you, sir.
Well, I'm simply asking for
I'm
a reasonable
setting the date
so
of 2 weeks out. You can have your motion together, file your motion. I will be able to address your motion at that time so that we can get this headed to a PC, to a preliminary examination.
just for the record, I'll put it on the record that I object. But under threat, duress, or coercion, again.
Your objection is noted.
Right, and under threat and duress and coercion, I'll be
okay. Okay.
Is there anything else?
I said what I need to say.
Anything else from the people?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Shout out to old Squishy Gardner as always.
Bond will continue.
Am I waiting for paperwork or get it from the front?
Pardon?
Am I waiting for paperwork regarding the next?
No, you may leave.
Oh, is it being mailed, or I'm trying to figure out how do I get the paperwork?
You can check out at the front counter.
Okay, thank you. That's all right.
Uh-oh.
Is that it for me, Ann?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, everyone. 14A stands adjourned. Take me off, please.
And on that note, we are done today. That's great. Yep. Yep, we're done. All right, where is it? Come on, van. Where's van? Uh-oh. You guys watch out over in Oklahoma, apparently. Stay safe out there. Oh, thank you, guys. Oh my God, Deacon, thank you for the 20 gifted memberships. Wow, thank you so much, Deacon. Much appreciated, Deacon.
Call the president.
Call the president?
Okay. Tell him how you like to be on.
Oh. Uh-oh. All right, I'll be right back. Oh gosh, that reminds. Oh, I gotta put this on a reminder. Hold on, I gotta set a reminder to forward Maik's vaccination paperwork to the vet. Put a reminder for that tomorrow. There we go.
A woman. Not all black people steal, and I'm not black, I'm Native American.
Uh-oh.
Before your people arrived. I just need to get a mic. I work for this company.
Oh no, Celine driver, I didn't know this was a Florida man. Oh no, Celine, I'm sorry.
This guy's being belligerent to me. Hey, where are you coming from? Where am I coming from? A hotel where I was thrown out of inappropriately. Awesome. Thank you. Cool. Great.
Welcome back to the Van Balen channel, guys. Today we head to Miami Beach, Florida, courtesy of Miami City News YouTube channel. Link in the description, so please subscribe.
Hi, Lizzie.
Video where this guy, who is not technically a sovereign citizen, but trust me, he is just as ignorant and obnoxious as one, gets himself arrested following an incident where he allegedly battered a female employee at the hotel he was staying at. They kicked him out and he was tracked down to a Walgreens. This is where the video picks up.
I work for this company. This guy's being belligerent to me. Hey, where are you coming from? Where am I coming from? A hotel where I was thrown out of inappropriately. Awesome. Thank you. Cool. Great. Perfect.
Stop resisting. What are you doing?
I'm not resisting.
Stop pulling on my butt.
I'm not resisting as he throws his arm away from the cop. I'm not resisting, jerk. Not resisting.
Give me my ID. I'm not resisting. Yay! Only in America.
Yeah. That's cool, buddy.
Do I have my rights?
Absolutely, you do. And now you're gonna go to jail.
Oh, great.
Absolutely.
Let's do this. Let's go. What is my rights?
Burglary and a battery to a female.
Burglary.
And we're gonna add a racial charge on there because
great. Okay.
you say racial terms. That's considered a hate crime, buddy.
Okay, great.
Oh, we got isms?
I've got to say, I love the no-nonsense approach by this Florida cop, which gets even better as the video progresses, by the way.
Bye.
Oh, right there. This way.
Bye. Let's go. You just left my phone on the car.
You mean this phone right here?
Thank you. Can I see the port? Sure, absolutely.
Let's go. There you go.
Damn, dude. Sure.
Don't be reaching in your pockets either.
I'm not reaching in my pockets.
Don't move your hands.
I'm not moving my hands.
Why are you moving, man?
Does he have to? Does he have to sound? All right, I'm good. If I speak, I am in big trouble. I prefer not to speak.
Because he
Who told you to move? Who told you to move?
He just moved me. Oh my God!
And you're moving again.
I'm
Here, let me
just
help
trying
you out.
to.
Stop moving.
Okay,
Piss
here
me
we go
off.
again. Cameras on.
Absolutely, we do.
Perfect.
Anything on your side?
Back a little bit. I can't move unless you feel like I can move. That's it.
I think that's all I got. No.
Perfect. Do we have everything?
Is this at the Walgreens?
Do we have my wallet? Do we have everything else?
Yeah, it's gonna be we have one at 39 right off that 3226.
Great. Come on.
Slow units.
Am I arrested? Have you given me my rights? I have a right to remain silent.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything is fixed.
Perfect. Go ahead.
Sit in the car.
No, can you
Sit down.
In the car right now.
Yeah, sure.
In the car. Can I have my wallet? No, I'm gonna hold on to your wallet. Get in the fucking car right now.
Wow.
Yeah, wow.
Appropriate.
If you're not in the car, I'm gonna pull you from the other side. You understand what I'm saying to you? Good job.
This guy?
Okay, first of all, you do have the right to remain silent, but it's clear to everyone
He lacks the ability.
that you lack the ability. Secondly, you're not being questioned about the crime you allegedly committed, so they are not required to read you your rights. Finally, you've just been arrested for burglary, battery on a female, and possibly a hate crime, so you're hardly in a position to judge what is and what isn't appropriate.
Verify, did you make contact with the trooper that's on scene?
Yes, we were looking for my
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
Excuse me, I advise the trooper to raise him.
Yo, Cooper. They're raising you on the radio. Well, you're dispatch.
Oh my God, this is dizzying.
Yes, well, 2136
Yeah, at least I have somewhere to hang out for a little while.
Oh, that's actually pretty smart. That if you don't have a backseat camera, just use your body cam.
I am excited. Yeah, I hope I go to federal court. Yes, I'm excited. Hi, how are you? Are you doing okay? Are you sexually frustrated?
What?
Well, if this isn't the...
What? What the fuck? What the fuck? You just called the... Oh. Jesus.
Very definition of projection, then I don't know what is. Add whining to the mix, which he admits to later on in the video, a boatload of false bravado, and voila, you've got a raging douchebag on your hands. Luckily, the arresting officer, as already demonstrated, gives as good as he gets in this back and forth.
So I've got about $100,000 in with me. Can you make sure that your officer takes care of that?
I'm gonna grab your bags.
Perfect. And also include my ID, my 2 cell phones, and my wallet.
I have 1 cell phone.
I have 2 cell phones.
Well, I have 1 cell phone that I retrieved from you.
Okay. Where's the other?
I don't know. You probably lost it walking around or being drunk.
I did not lose it. There were
or
2
beating
cell
on a
phones
woman.
with me.
Or you're beating on a woman. So, I'm not sure.
Excuse me? I'm gay. That's a hate crime.
Absolutely not.
It's a hate crime to accuse a gay man of beating a woman.
It's the other way around, buddy.
Okay. Excuse me?
It's the other way around.
I suck.
Okay.
Solid legal strategy, I must say. Play the Uno reverse card and then tell the judge or jury that you can't possibly be guilty of this crime because, Pete, you're gay. Sounds legit.
I have 2 cell phones with me. Find both of them, officer.
You have 1 on your person and that's all you're going with.
Excuse me? I am a U.S. national that was just returned to the United States under asylum
Let me tell you this, I don't
protection
give a
outside
fuck.
of the United
Alright?
States.
I don't give a fuck.
Excuse me?
I don't give a fuck.
You don't give a fuck. Okay. Perfect. Thank you for your service. I appreciate it. I
You're
also
welcome
work
for
for
my
Homeland
service.
Security.
You're welcome for my services.
Call the president. When
Yeah,
you
you can
phone
call.
me.
So you work for Walgreens, but now suddenly out of nowhere you...
Yeah, you used to work for Homeland Security. I feel like that's a bit of a downgrade.
Or at some point you worked for Homeland Security, which naturally means the President of the United States must be informed of your arrest, because that's a thing. Really, dude? The fact that you think anyone will fall for this nonsense is freaking hilarious. Good on that officer for not so politely saying he doesn't care.
I'm flabbergasted. I don't understand. He's probably just drunk, but I don't understand the notion that being gay means that you can never be accused of hitting a female. What?
Tell him how you like to beat a woman.
I don't fuck with women.
No, we're not saying. Do you not understand the difference between having relations with a woman and hitting a woman? They're two different things. What the fuck?
Are you serious? Oh my god, you're so fucking weird. Beat on women? Oh my god, he just said that. I don't even touch women. Ugh. Beat on women? Oh my god, are you serious? I'm gay. Ugh.
Yeah, we get it, you're gay. You've told us about 500 times already. Being gay doesn't mean you can't physically hurt a woman, in this case by allegedly throwing a phone at a female hotel employee.
Oh!
You do admit to.
Oh, well, I guess that's where the other phone went. Because he chucked it at her.
Also, you've got a nerve calling this cop weird after some of the things you've said and done tonight.
No. Disturbing peace? Whatever. I'd love to talk in front of a judge.
Show me on 9 Area 1. A single security unit with 1185.
Do we have my bags in the car yet? Officer?
Sarge.
Hello?
Yo.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess not.
No. Yeah.
Doesn't matter to me. This is how we handle things. Okay. I have the right to, like, fuck off, is what he said. Okay, fair enough. I'm excited. Do we have all my things? Yes or no? There's $100,000 worth of medication
$600 in cash, $100 bills only.
Okay.
In my Adidas bag, which hopefully it hasn't been stolen since I'm on camera. In addition to that, there is proprietary information that can encrypt or indict certain U.S. officials in my bags as well. Those are all secured as well. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. We believe that you, a Walgreens employee, has encrypted information with the potential to indict US officials. In the same way that we believe the President of the United States needs to be informed whenever you get arrested.
Let's enjoy our Uber ride.
Oh, hey, Big Shucklers, thank you for the $20 super chat. Yeah, I know. I know, I heard, I saw, hopefully, yeah, yeah. I prefer just to chill and have some fun for tonight, okay? Not think about the outside world at the moment.
I already told you we have your bags.
Are they all in the bag?
I don't know what they're in the bag. We didn't check your bags yet.
Okay. Are all the bags that I arrived with?
I don't know how many bags you had.
I'm sorry?
If you remember correctly, I brought you to the car and sat you in my car. Did you see me leave?
It was simply a question.
Okay, and I'm giving you an answer. I mean, common sense would tell you that I didn't go retrieve your bags, right?
Come on, officer. You're reaching a lot by assuming this guy has common sense, when all the evidence suggests otherwise.
I don't know. I was arrested and told to, like, shut up. So I thought it would be appropriate to ask these questions, officer. Are you having a bad day, yes or no?
I'm having a better day now.
Oh, you're having a better day now because there's a black man in the back of the car?
I wondered how long it would take him to play the race card. Also, out of the two, I'd say the guy in handcuffs is the one having a bad day, but that's just me.
No, I have a person who committed a hate crime.
How did I commit a hate crime?
You battered a woman. You battered a woman.
How did I batter a woman?
And you called her racial slurs.
Oh, okay.
So,
did you guys follow up on the hate crime that I called about yesterday?
I'm not sure. This is a different matter.
No, you didn't. So I guess it's 1 for 1. I'd love to talk to a sergeant upon my arrival, and also a federal judge.
But you're going to be far too busy making that all-important call to the president to speak to a mere sergeant or federal judge, I would have thought. But what do I know?
I had a hate crime last night that you guys didn't follow up on. Did you check up on that?
Something to do with me.
When somebody said I was threatened, did you guys arrest that person yesterday when he said he was going to assault me? No, you didn't. But yeah, you got me because I threw a phone.
Dude, you might want to start taking your own advice about now, i.e. remaining silent, you know, the Fifth Amendment, because it looks like you've just admitted to a crime there. Unfortunately, you lack the ability to do so. Also, connect the dots. The reason why the police can only find one of your phones is because you like to throw the other one around when you get angry.
Hello, hello, hello.
Whatever.
Am I good? All right, there we go.
Let's see what the judge says.
Yes, he said to speak to the sergeant. I'll count that as supervisor.
You have 4 of my bags, is that correct?
I don't know. I didn't get your bags. Remember that time I said I didn't grab them?
You didn't grab them? So are they in the back of the cruiser, yes or no, officer?
Not in the back of my car.
Are they in the back of a different car, yes or no?
Yep.
Okay. Are 2 of my phones in the back of the car, yes or no?
You have 1 phone on your person that I got from you.
Okay, I had 2 phones with me.
Well, you might have lost it.
Since we're being recorded, I had 2 phones, one iPhone 8 and one iPhone XR.
Dude, again, just 2 minutes ago, while trying to make one of your inane points, you admitted to throwing one of those phones in anger. So maybe, just maybe, that's the reason why you only have 1 phone.
I'm also not under the influence of weed, any other type of controlled medications, or stimulants as well.
Really, because you smell like alcohol. So nice
okay,
try.
well, I had a glass of wine.
You reek of alcohol.
I reek?
Yep.
I have on Givenchy. I think that's an insult to the designers. Are we ready? Yes? No?
Well, they do say alcohol can bring out the worst in people, but if this is what one glass of wine does to you, then I dread to think what kind of a monster 2 or 3 glasses would turn you into.
Why we're like hanging out here.
I'm sorry, you got somewhere to be?
Yes, let's go book me.
Okay, awesome.
I want to like take my picture and like smile. Assault, hate crime. I'm an LGBT and I'm also a U.S. citizen. Is the person behind the counter a U.S. citizen? Probably not. I think I have more rights than they do.
There you go again.
Excuse me?
There you go again.
Oh, I'm on camera. I know exactly what I'm saying.
Yeah, I'm beginning to think that alcohol is not playing that much of a part in all this anymore, and
yeah, this is more of this is his personality, not the alcohol.
This is just normal everyday behavior for him. I mean, you know it's bad when members of your own community leave comments like
the gay delegation is officially releasing this man from the community off waivers. We do not claim him.
Do you know why 911 is called? For the record, since I'm on camera, a piece of paper fell on the floor and I apologized about it, and that's why she called the police. Did she tell you that? No.
Did she just
She
say you
told
threw a
you
phone at her?
after she assaulted me. Did she tell you that part?
Just tell me that you threw a phone at her?
I did not. Do you know why I threw a phone at her?
There he admits it again for the second time. Yeah, I mean, if we were playing the other bingo card, that's a clear self-snitch.
Because she said she was calling
Oh, did he say we already have for the record?
police because I accidentally.
Oh wait, no, we don't. There we go. For the record. Okay, we do have. Now we have for the record. Yes, there we go.
Let a piece of paper that I needed to sign fall on the floor, and she goes, I was being disrespectful.
So you threw the phone at her because she was calling the police?
That's ridiculous. You call your manager. You don't call the police for something like this.
So you threw the phone at her because she was calling the police?
I didn't throw the phone at her. I just threw it in general.
I just threw in that general direction. I didn't throw it at her. Come on.
Why did you throw it?
Because I was upset. This is a customer service issue. This does not require the police. I asked her to call her manager. I have been there for like 9 nights. 8 days I've not had an issue. She's the first time I've seen her. This is a customer service issue. This does not require the police.
Well, guess what? The police are involved now.
Okay, well, perfect. I'd love to talk to the judge.
Let's
go. I need to sit in front of Walgreens, my employer. This is embarrassing for me. Let's go.
Well, it probably was your employer.
If you're gonna put me, let's do it.
So out of everything that happened tonight, so that's getting kicked out of the hotel you were staying in over what you call a customer service issue, but which led to a very public arrest at your place of work. The one thing that embarrasses you the most is sitting in a police car outside your likely soon-to-be ex-employer's property. Yeah, I think you need to get your priorities in order, mate.
This is ridiculous. Did you ask her why? I was upset. It was a customer service issue. If you call the police because of a customer service issue, then you guys would be super fucking busy. Fucking idiot.
You keep using that word customer service issue. I do not think it means what you think it means. Customer service issues tend not to end with a pair of silver bracelets and a ride to jail.
Fucking beat off. Oh. Fucking Nacho.
Nacho?
Yesterday. Did you guys arrest that fucking asshole? No. Yes?
Stand up.
Sure.
Have a seat. I don't care. Let's go. Come on,
Can you get my lock? That's my lock.
Have a
Can
seat.
you get my lock, please?
Have a seat.
Okay. I guess not. I also lost a lock that's on the floor. Absolutely. Get it. of America.
Liz, I believe they actually did Mirandize him before putting him in the back of the car, so all of this is admissible.
Have I ever experienced this before? Have you been able to pull my record? Because I have no criminal activity before, and this is a customer service issue. Yeah, exactly. Let's go.
Dispatch has been
Could you also ask your dispatch team why they didn't follow me yesterday?
A lot has happened already, but
okay,
it's up to you if you want. I'll give you the 13. It's gonna be 26, 32. Possible hate crime.
Hate crime. I had a hate crime yesterday. You guys didn't arrest anyone.
Yeah, we did the show.
Possible.
26 to I'll call you in a little bit because I'm probably
Don't text and drive. Don't drive and drive. Driving on your phone. That's illegal.
Not really in a position to judge anyone at the moment, are you? Especially after what you're being accused of doing.
Oh my God! Jesus! Ah!
Like 12 years. I'm sorry, what was the burglary part? Because I have a lot of money and I don't steal things. So, what burglary happened that you mentioned? Okay, just so we're clear on that. Not all black people steal, and I'm not black, I'm Native American. Before your people arrived.
This dude is desperate to make this about race, so much so that he will dismiss his own race in order to score points against this cop. And if by Native American you mean Moorish American, well,
That's where I was thinking too, or like an Aboriginal.
To be the one to break this to you, but Moorish Americans are not native to the United States, no matter how much you want it to be true.
Can you see if she can save the CCTV on the incident?
Yes, please pull it.
Yeah. What? Ask
Can you
let me call you back in like 2
CCTV
minutes.
from last night when the hate crime happened to me and you guys didn't arrest the guy?
I'll see in a little bit.
Sure. All the double standard. I'd like to speak to a sergeant when we arrive. My uncle was a sergeant for the police. I know how this works.
Awesome.
Oh no, my family member! Man, we should have switched this up.
Ah, the old my uncle is a cop, which obviously means I know every aspect of his job routine. Never had that ridiculous claim before. Right, so now he arrives at the jail where he is even more insufferable, so I'm not going to subject you all to that, except for the part where he gets locked in a cell, because how can I deny you that after making you sit through 20 minutes of his nonsense? So here's the clip.
Hey, this is like Paris Hilton. I love it.
Right, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like.
Yeah, I'll leave a like, but God, good Lord, that was exhausting with this guy. Funny, but exhausting. All right, let's hear about this newbie sovereign citizen.
Last chance.
Ask it. Tell me what. Dude!
Step out of the vehicle now.
Dude.
Step out of the vehicle.
Dude. Sir, please.
Unlock the seatbelt.
I'm asking
Unlock
you.
the door.
I'm asking you.
Unlock the door.
I'm asking.
Unlock the door.
Uh-oh. Have a good night, Deacon.
Welcome back to the Van Ballion channel, guys. Today we head to Pender County, North Carolina, where this genius gets pulled over for an improper lane violation, but he soon escalates things when he refuses lawful orders to step out of the vehicle, leading to a busted window and a pair of silver bracelets. Right, let's get into the video.
I'm here at Speedway right now, and I think it's 9:33.
All right.
So, right. And he's just sitting there. After he just pulled out. I was going down the road. And as soon as I damn went by, he like freaking whipped it out of the Methodist church parking lot. Like, go guys. Whips out and comes speeding up on me. And then when he gets up,
Castro, thank you for the $5.
he wants to hold back some. He don't want to get up beside me like he's supposed to in traffic. So that was like kind of pissed me off. So yeah, I stopped a little short and I said, yo, what the fuck's up? Got an issue.
Okay.
And I get the stare down. Now he's just sitting over there, just waiting.
All right.
I'm gonna leave here.
Do you know, it's almost as if the officer ran your tag before you entered the gas station. And
Probably.
maybe it came back saying the driver has a warrant. Maybe. Or you committed a traffic violation and now he's waiting for you to leave before he pulls you over. I could be wrong, but that would explain your shifty behaviour now and during the traffic stop.
Here we go.
Nothing wrong. Why are you fucking with me, man? Nope. Fuck no, bro. I'm not fucking pulling. No, fuck no. No.
Oh no. Uh-oh.
What the fuck are you doing, bro?
What are you doing?
I'm sorry, dude, but I'm calling bullshit on this text added after the fact that says you were looking for a safe place to pull over. Because your words specifically flat out say I'm not pulling over. No, say different. The narrative you're trying to spin might work on your knuckle-dragging followers, but me and my viewers are not that gullible.
What the fuck are you doing?
What are you doing?
What the fuck is all this about, dude?
¿Por qué? Hey, Kat, thank you for the $5 tip. Thank you. You don't have to do that, Kat. You know, I can afford it, but thank you very much anyway. Appreciate it.
Hey, man, I don't appreciate that at all, man. That was not right, man.
Well, you haven't been told the reason for the stop yet, so why would you have an opinion so early on? Unless, of course, all this is for the camera, then it makes complete sense.
Does your front window not work?
No, it's not working. What was all that crap about, man?
What?
That harassment.
What harassment?
The harassment, man.
What harassment? You got your license on you?
Yeah, I got my license on me. All I was doing was driving by and y'all jumped the gun on me like for no reason, man.
Oh, the reason for the stop is improper passing. You got your license?
Improper pass? I didn't pass anyone.
Yeah. Whenever you moved
Dude,
in front of the other vehicle?
When was that?
Right there.
Where?
17, whenever you had to stop, right before I let you up.
Dude, no, you're wrong, man.
I'm not going to sit here and argue with you on the side of the road.
Okay. All right, cool.
Exactly. Only a moron would try to hold court on the side of the road. Welcome to today's idiot.
Of course he would.
I just had it, man. Hold on a second. Okay, I'm sorry for being an ass, but I don't like getting messed with, man. There's no need for that. I just have my wallet, man. I just bought stuff at the store. Can I look around right here real quick? Is that cool?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Man, I got, yeah, here it is. Sorry. Cool.
Do what?
I got it right here, man. I've had a lot of bad history, man, and for just driving, I'm just going to see my girlfriend. I'm about to go offshore to go fishing for what I do for work. That's what I do for a living.
Sure.
I'm going to see her. She's got brain cancer. I'm trying to hang out with my old lady for a few minutes.
She's got brain cancer. Medical issue.
Offshore fishing. No, and I don't give any. This is bullcrap, man. This isn't cool, man.
I'm just asking you some questions.
Improper passing.
Yes.
Go run my stuff and come back. I'll be waiting for you. I'm not answering any more questions.
I'm not answering any more questions, says the guy who will not only go on.
I know it usually is just for the person, but I still laugh at this idea that he's trying to garner some level of sympathy or something by mentioning her his old lady's brain cancer.
To answer many questions, but will talk his way into a window bust and arrest.
What? No, I don't have to. I'm sorry.
Roll the window down.
No. Don't pull on my door handle. No, man. Are you? No. That was messed up what you did, man. I didn't do anything but ride by with headphones on, and you definitely cast me out, man.
I'm trying to see what's going on.
What's going on? Was it you that I saw by pulling out a go gas?
I'm a senior, so if you have anything.
I said, sir. I said.
You know why he pulled you over?
Improper passing.
I can't hear you, man.
I'm not rolling it down. I'm not answering any more questions. Get that light out my eyes, man. That's messed up, dude. I'm about to call your dispatch right now.
It's not in your eye.
It is in my eyes.
No, it's not in your eye.
The only thing calling dispatch would achieve, other than to get more officers on the scene, which you would definitely whine about, would be an extra charge for misusing 911 because...
True.
I can't believe I need to say this, but Torchlight is not a genuine reason to call an emergency line.
He said Torchlight. Friggin' Brit Bonger.
I have one right.
It's okay, Van. I love you.
Here too. That's just as bright.
For improper passing. He pulled you over for improper passing?
That's bullshit.
Okay.
And you know it.
Okay.
You know it.
Okay.
That's messed up, dude.
Okay.
That's totally messed up.
Okay. All right.
That's not cool, man.
What's not cool?
To pull improper passing?
Okay. Well,
write me a ticket. Get out of my face, man. Come on, please.
All right.
It's not cool, man.
Okay.
Well, it might be bullshit and not cool to you, but improper passing is an infraction you can be pulled over for in North Carolina. Crying and whining about it on the side of the road won't change the outcome. But from the looks of things, a ticket for improper passing might just be the least of your problems right now.
All right. See ya. Thank you. I'm about to call your sergeant right now if you don't get off my butt right now. Go get my ticket. Come back. I want to see my old lady.
Oh my God.
I gotta go offshore fishing. I want to see my old lady before I damn have to go, man.
Hey,
Thank you.
Where's she at right now?
She's in Wilmington at her sister's house. She's got brain cancer.
Okay. Well, I'll try to speed this up. All right. Okay. If you have any complaints about one of my deputies,
I'm just upset, man.
With the sheriff's office. All right.
Yeah,
Hey man, I'm not the bad guy, man. I'm just here.
You definitely cast me out for no reason when I passed by Go Gas. You come up on me like a chump, man. That was not cool.
Me?
Whoever it was.
Wasn't me.
I passed
Wasn't
by.
me.
They darted out that parking lot, man.
Okay.
For no reason. Then I stopped up a little bit to be like, hey, what's up? You know, what's the problem? I thought it was Chester, to be honest.
Okay.
So.
This guy may as well just have perpetual victim stamped on his forehead because he seems to think everything is about him. He's a bit like a sovereign citizen in that respect.
What's your name and badge number?
Name badge. Oh, there it is.
Do you have a Benjamin?
Name badge number.
Okay, what's your car number?
I'm sorry?
What's your patrol squad number or your car number? Okay, all right.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
I'm trying to be.
But you're not, man. You're not. You're because you're investigating. I just said
I don't want to answer any more questions, so leave me alone.
I haven't asked you any questions.
Okay, where does she live at? What?
I'm just talking to you.
Okay, well, you're making me really uncomfortable, and it's not okay.
Well, I think that uncomfortable feeling you have has got more to do with the fact that you're worried about what the investigation into you is going to turn up, rather than the conversation with that deputy. And it looks like I could be right because this happens.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I'm right here, man.
Roll down the window.
Bro, I'm right here.
Bro, I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm not going to tell.
Ooh.
I did. I don't have to roll down the window, sir. You're on camera right now. What's the problem? What's the problem? What?
Unlock the door.
Why?
Step out of the vehicle.
Why?
Because I'm telling you to.
I'm,
Step out of the vehicle.
bro, that's not okay.
Step out of the vehicle.
I'm being totally harassed by the Pender County Sheriff's Department right now for no reason. I've asked to not be.
Sir, you need to step out of the vehicle.
What is my charges? Am I under arrest?
Sir, you're being uncooperative and not.
No, I'm not. I don't have to roll the window down.
Step out of the vehicle.
Dude, I don't have to roll the window down.
Step out of the vehicle.
Do I have to roll the window down?
Yes.
For what reason?
Your mom.
What's
Step out of the vehicle.
for what reason?
Step out of the vehicle.
Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest?
Almost.
Under arrest.
Getting there.
I think if you continue to ignore lawful orders to step out of your vehicle, which they can do under Pennsylvania versus Mims, then I would say absolutely yes. But your uncooperative attitude and unwillingness to listen to reason is definitely going to prevent that from happening.
But is it a lawful order?
Yes, it is a lawful order.
What is my charges?
Step out of the vehicle.
What is my charge? What am I being detained for?
Out of the vehicle.
What? No, tell me.
Step out of the vehicle.
Man, what am I being detained for?
I'm giving you every opportunity right
What
now.
am I being detained for?
Every single opportunity to step out of the vehicle right now.
And I'm asking why. I don't feel comfortable. I fear.
Did he say am I being detained? Okay.
I feel
Count
for
it.
my safety right now.
I understand that.
And I'm about to have a panic. Please, just answer my question. I'm not stepping out, man. I do not have to step out of the car without a lawful order.
It is a lawful order.
And on what basis is that lawful order?
I am ordering you.
That is not good enough, sir. That is not good enough, sir.
Well, first of all, you really need to look up Pennsylvania versus Mims before you put yourself in situations like this in the future, because they absolutely do have the lawful right to order you, an uncooperative driver, out of the vehicle. On the other hand, it sounds like you're under arrest anyway.
All right, I'll be right back.
which case not leaving the vehicle is obstruction, so take your pick.
What is your name?
Huh?
What is your name?
Deputy Sawyer with Pender County Sheriff.
Okay, what is my being detained? No.
I'm not going to continue.
I want to talk to your sergeant right now.
It's fine. You can step out.
No, I'm going to wait right here. I need to wait right here comfortably, please.
Step out of the vehicle.
Sir, no.
No.
That is not.
No.
If these officers make you feel uncomfortable, why would you want another officer there in the form of a sergeant from the same department? That just doesn't make sense. Unless you're performing for the camera, of course. Then,
of course they are.
And it does.
Now step out of the vehicle.
Why are you doing this, man? What did I do to make you so angry to do this? I've got you on camera saying that I was illegal passing. Okay? I've got you on camera saying that I was illegally passing, so I would like my ticket. I would like my ticket and my driver's license back, please. Unless I have, do I have a warrant?
You need to step out of the vehicle.
Sir, do I have a,
You need to step out of the
can you answer me that?
You need to step out of the
Please tell me if I have a warrant, please. Please tell me if I have a warrant.
break the window.
Sir.
Interesting place to make an edit, don't you think? Right after he asks them if he has a warrant. Maybe, and just maybe he doesn't.
Maybe he does.
The answer to that question in order to spin his narrative.
Oh no!
As well, because rather than inquiring about that convenient edit, his viewers are mindlessly accusing the police of violating his rights.
Last chance.
Sir.
I'm gonna break the window.
If you break the window, then that's gonna be.
Last chance. Step out of the vehicle.
Tell me why.
Last chance. Last chance.
Tell me why. Dude!
Oh!
Step out of the vehicle. Now. Step out of the vehicle.
Dude, sir, please.
Dude!
I'm asking you. I'm asking you.
Unlock the door.
I'm asking.
Oh no! Oh! Bam! Woo! There it is.
Vehicle now. I'm not going to tell you again.
Sir, I'm not.
Step out of the vehicle now.
Why am I being?
Step out
Sir.
of the vehicle now.
Please tell me why.
Step out of the vehicle now.
Sir, please tell me why.
I'm not.
Tell me why.
I'm going to tell you again. Step out of the vehicle.
Sir, you have to tell me why
No,
I'm
I
being
do not.
detained.
Step
Yes,
out of
you
the vehicle.
do. Sir,
You one last time.
or what? You're gonna beat me?
No, but I am going to pull you out of this vehicle.
For what reason?
Step out of the vehicle now.
Sir, I'm.
Dude, you really need to get a better acting coach because this performance is.
Oh, wait, does Patrick have bingo? Patrick! Finally, we got a bingo. Thank God. All right. Patrick, congratulations on the bingo. I'm sure somebody had to have gotten bingo by now. But yeah, congratulations, Patrick. All right, everybody, reset. This is probably going to be the last video, though, because I want to save my energy for DBZ Abridged. But everybody reset, and we're going to go right at it again. All right?
It's not convincing anyone. Oh, and by the way, that weird noise is not the police trying to hack into your phone. It's the sound of the last few brain cells popping in your head due to your insane behaviour tonight. Also, nice window bust. I'm sure he'll be finding glass everywhere for the foreseeable future.
Dude, you know this is illegal, man. This is illegal, man. My car's in drive right now.
Put it in park. Put it in park.
Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest?
You are now.
Under arrest? For what, sir? For what, sir? Sir. Hold on, I'm coming. No, don't touch my phone. Don't touch my phone. Don't touch my phone, man. What am I being arrested for? What am I being arrested? What am I being arrested for? Can you tell me why I'm being arrested? Sir, can you tell me why I'm being arrested? What in the fuck is going on, guys?
Well, I personally think you've already been told the reason for the arrest, and it happened during that weird edit. And what we're now seeing is a performance for the camera. Prove me wrong by releasing the full video from start to finish, minus the edits.
Sir, can I put my
other hand?
Okay.
Give me your other hand. I'm trying. I'm not fucking around. Okay, give me your other hand.
in my pocket.
You're gonna drop your phone. Drop your phone.
Have my phone.
Drop your phone.
Keep my phone for my
Okay.
family
I will get your phone. I will get your phone. You're not gonna put your hands in your pocket.
Can you put it in there for me, please?
Hey,
Please don't break my
drop
arm,
your
man.
phone.
Please.
Drop your
Can
phone.
you put it in my pocket?
Drop your
Can
phone.
you
I will put it in your pocket. Just drop it. Just drop it. That's it. That's
burn
it.
me with your life, man.
Okay, that's it. That's all I want you to do.
You're
Hey, just
hurting me,
cooperate.
man. You're hurt.
I understand. Just cooperate.
Ow, 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 ow. What the fuck?
You're hurting me.
Dude, I got.
Cooperate.
Oh, dude, you're fucking pinching something bad,
Okay,
dude.
okay.
Oh my god.
My metatarsals.
Okay. Drop whatever's in your hand.
It's a cigarette butt,
Drop
man.
it. Just drop it. Just drop it. Let it go. Let it go. Relax. Relax.
Dude, what the fuck, dude?
I'm right here now for you. You want me to head towards another unit?
What the fuck is going on,
Cancel
man?
them. Cancel them. I'm getting them in handcuffs. Relax. Just relax right now.
Bro, this is so
Give me your
uncool,
hand.
man.
Not cool, bro. Not cool.
That was so unnecessary, man.
Pat him down.
Uncalled for, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab your phone. Turn around.
Why is my finger sticking so bad right now? Is it bleeding? My hand. I just got pulled over for illegal passing. Can I put my other hand? Okay. Give me your other hand. I'm trying. I'm not fucking around. Okay. Give me your other hand in my pocket. You're gonna drop your phone. Drop your phone. Have my phone. Drop your phone. Keep my phone so my family calls. I will get your phone. I will get your phone. You're not gonna put your hands in your pocket. Can you put it in there for me, please? Hey, please don't break my
Drop
arm,
your
man,
phone.
please.
Drop your
Can you
phone.
put it in my pocket?
Drop your phone. I will put it in your pocket. Just drop it. Just drop it. That's it.
Burn me with your light. Man.
Okay, that's it. That's all I want you to do.
You're
Just
hurting me,
cooperate.
man. You're hurt.
I understand. Just cooperate.
Ow, 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 ow. What the fuck? Dude, I got. Dude, you. Yeah, dude.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay. Drop whatever's in your hand.
It's a cigarette butt, man.
Just drop it. Just drop it. Let it go. Let it go. Relax.
Dude, what the fuck, dude?
I'm right here now for you. You want me to head towards another unit?
What the fuck is going on, man?
Cancel them. I'm getting them in handcuffs. Relax. Just relax right now.
Bro, this is so
Give me your
uncool,
hand.
man. That was so unnecessary, man.
Pat him down.
Could I please?
Oh my goodness, this guy.
Why is my finger sticking so bad right now? Is it bleeding?
So there we are, guys. Another idiot gets a broken window, a pair of silver bracelets, and bed and breakfast at the Grey Bar Hotel. And according to this comment left on the original video, he was charged with resisting arrest and improper lane change. And the trial ended in all charges being dismissed, but I wouldn't put too much stock in anything he has to say after this performance. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Right, thank you so
It wouldn't surprise me if they dismissed it, honestly, because the reason for the stop was probably weak sauce. But I'm not gonna say sitting here and say that it had anything to do with sovereign citizen BS. Of course.
So much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave me a like, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you also to my channel members and patrons for your continued support. I really appreciate it. And if you would like to support me and get early access to videos like this, then the links to do all that are in the description. Right, take care all, and I will catch up with you in the next video.
Do we have one more? I don't know if we have another sovereign citizen though. Unless we could find an oldie but a goodie, you know? We could always do the influencer singer from Miami. That's a good one. Yeah, I've seen that one, Hitchbot. I am not gonna watch the DFW one, at least not today. What's this? This isn't a sovereign citizen, but maybe we'll find something here.
Deputies responded to the scene of a crash in which the suspect refused to give his information, then fled the scene.
Oh. He looked like a man.
Say middle-aged, Caucasian male, small handlebar mustache. How does pressing charges work?
That's up to the state. So we'll go find them, and you know, if we have probable cause to arrest them, we will.
I haven't seen this, so I have no idea what's about to happen here.
From what he's saying is he was in the right turn lane and the guy went around to the right. So
The deputy was able to track down the suspect at his workplace.
I'm looking to see if you have an employee there that drives it's like a brown or tan Honda CRV. It's a SUV. Likely would have just gotten to work about 10-15 minutes ago.
Oh, I think I do. Yes.
Yeah. He was wearing a Pender shirt. He was involved in a crash and left. I need his information so I can get a hold of him. Is he still there?
He is, yeah.
Okay. If you want to just let him know not to leave.
Yeah, he's working with my manager down there, so we're on watering plant, so he's
Okay.
he's here.
He's not-
so I'm
he's
not
not-
gonna say anything if that's okay. If you want me
Yeah,
to.
no, I don't want you to. Is he required to be dispatched to do anything today, or is he supposed to just be working there on the grounds?
He's just supposed to be working on the grounds.
Okay. And what's his name? Yeah, he was involved in a crash, hit and run.
I know. I'm noticing. I'm revealing my age, but with that throwback to Mad TV.
Actually, he tried to.
Oh man.
Somebody was in a right turn lane, and
I think it's his vehicle, but I can go check down there and see. I don't know. I don't take any of the license numbers or anything like that, but I can go like down there. It's just on the other side of the property. If you give me a few moments, I can walk down there and just confirm that that's him.
Okay, sure.
But I think that's it. I see
Thank
one
you.
that has a brown vehicle.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. I'm so sorry.
No, you have no reason to apologize.
Okay. I know, but yeah, that's not what I would expect from anybody.
How are you today?
Okay.
Hi.
Is Zach here?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
No, I didn't know if he called you. He said he had some issues this morning, so I didn't know if it was him.
No, he didn't call us.
Okay.
Where is he at? What did Zach tell you happened today?
Oh, no, he was in a little fender bender. I guess he had taken care of it, so that's I didn't know if he called you. I saw you pulling in.
How did he take care of it? Did he tell you?
I don't know.
No? Oh, okay.
I don't know.
All right, thanks.
Uh-oh.
Is Zach here?
Yeah,
Okay.
and I did look at the car and I took a picture of the license plate.
Yeah,
so
I took a picture of it
okay.
also. I guess he told one of the employees over there that he was involved in a fender bender this morning. But I guess told her that he took care of it or something. I don't know.
Okay, so you want me to show you Zach?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Yep.
Just want to have some questions for you.
How's it going?
It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, a guy hit me from behind. I was turning right on that busy intersection there, doing everything perfect. Everything was on. And I turned right, and he smashed into me. He had a big white truck. He obviously was looking on his phone. I popped out because I was trying to run to work here. I'm new here, so I was a little nervous. And then I said, "Did you hit anything?" And then he was saying, "You did this, you did that." And I'm going, "Dude, you hit me from behind," you know. And then I just took a picture because I wanted to get to work really fast. And I didn't even really notice. It looked like my car was okay, but actually he broke the back of my left signal. He smashed it, I noticed. So I came into work. Then I said, and I wasn't even late to work. And then I said to my manager, you know, this happened. And she goes, next time just stop, call here, tell them, da-da-da-da-da. But I didn't think anything had happened. He was being obnoxious. I just thought, just get to work. I took a picture of his license, but it really fuzzy. I can show you, so I couldn't really see it. So then I took it, but I'm sure his car was fine. He has a giant thing. It was me. I think I was completely in the right, and I would like to file for insurance because, you know, I think it's clear what happened there. So.
You left the scene of an accident.
Okay, I need you to walk up front with me.
All right.
Yeah, I'll have some.
You can take your apron off and all that kind of stuff. You're not going to need that right now.
Okay.
Here.
Yeah, just take a walk. Do you have your ID on you?
It's in my car.
You got a knife on you or anything like that?
No.
Pruning shears? Okay.
Oh, I have, yeah. Yeah, I thought when I got out he would at least say, I'm sorry. In that section, that's very scary, you know, turning right onto 713. I was in the right lane, had my signal on, was just being a little cautious, and was moving in, and then he hit me. And you can see.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I thought you said nothing happened to your car, though.
I didn't see it.
Nothing happened. Dude, that's a pretty noticeable bump right there.
First, but it was.
You told me that you took a photo of his license. Do you have that on you?
I do, but my phone is up there. But it was real blurry, you know. It was a white truck. Maybe you can read the. Maybe you can do some special thing to read the numbers. But
okay.
Yeah.
Did you provide him with any of your information?
No, I didn't think anything had happened. I was, like I said, I was worried.
Uh-huh.
It's a new job. I've only been here a week and a half.
What are you looking for in your car?
I was gonna get my ID. But
Oh no, yeah.
Okay. All right. Fine. All right. And let's go to the phone. Yeah. So I didn't. You know what I mean? It's like all this traffic's happening. It was an angle I didn't. If you look here, it looks like nothing happened. He hit me, and I felt the jolt, but I felt like I'm okay.
So everything over here?
Mm-hmm. Everything over there.
Do me a favor, turn around, put your hands behind your back, put your palms together. Put your palms together. Put your palms together. Yeah, there you go. All right. I'm placing you under arrest for hit and run. Okay. Your version of the story is very different from reality.
Oh.
Okay. You went around the gentleman that was already in a right turn lane, and there's a camera there at that intersection.
Oh no.
Hit his vehicle.
I didn't.
You did.
Uh-oh.
Oh
no.
Providing any information, okay?
That wasn't my experience at all.
Okay. Well.
Well, the security camera footage tells a very different story.
Your experience.
Well,
So the reality of what happened is what I just explained to you.
How did I go around him when
Well, there's a
I hit
bicycle
someone?
lane and people do it all the time when they're in a rush.
I didn't
Which
go-
is probably
I
why you
didn't-
told him you were in a rush and had to get to work.
He was behind me the entire time. How could I have
Oh, no.
gone around him? He was behind me the entire time.
Yeah, let's walk over to your car for a second.
Wait, could I have gone around him when I was in front of him the entire time?
Are you asking me to explain the possibility of how that's possible, or are you asking me to recreate an event that I wasn't there for?
True.
Because the possibility aspect of it is that people do it all the time, even though it's illegal because they're in a rush. And you already told me you were in a rush. And his account of the events makes much more sense.
Yeah, he just ooh.
Than yours.
And the thing is, he volunteered all that information.
He actually stayed on the scene of a crash, which is required by Florida state statute.
I'm new to Florida, so I don't know all these things. I just thought it's okay.
Do you have anything inside your shoes?
No.
I'm taking you to jail for hit and run. Let me know now if there's anything so we can deal with it now.
Can I call my friend?
Rather than listen to me for a second.
Okay.
Do you have any contraband on you at all?
No.
Okay. All right, come with me. I'll come back for your stuff.
Can I call my friend? I don't even have my phone. Can I get my phone?
I will grab your phone for you, sure.
I'm new to Florida. I don't understand all these things. He obviously has been in other accidents.
Well, I would.
He said, "That's not how it's done, buddy." And obviously he's been.
Right.
In
So you
accidents
probably
before.
should have listened to him.
Yeah, you probably if you should have listened to him if he said that. Oh my God.
Just was nervous about work.
I'm pretty sure there's no state in the United States that says, "Hey, you can get in an accident and then leave."
I haven't been in an accident in like 20 years.
Okay. You're just shooting me a whole bunch of excuses, man, instead of taking responsibility.
Well, I just don't know.
Go ahead and get in.
All right. Can I get my phone?
I already told you. You're repeating yourself a lot now.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I told you I'll get your phone for you.
This is a new experience for me.
Okay. That's stuff.
Yeah, that's it. I didn't know if you needed anything else.
Okay. That stuff can probably stay here.
Okay.
He'll have a bond, so he can get out probably within a couple hours. So.
Okay.
All right.
All right, cool.
All right.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. Thank you. His account is that the guy in the Tacoma was behind him the entire time and came up and hit him from behind, which wouldn't make sense based on where the damage is, but we still need to dispel that the best that we can.
Right.
And you know, if there's video footage, great. If not, we'll look at the damage again.
Okay.
So, but obviously he's not going to jail because
I thought there was footage.
Going to jail because he got involved in a crash and left.
Right.
So, do you have a driver's license? Because when I look you up, you don't have a Florida driver's license.
The man stated he had a Massachusetts driver's license that was expired and kept ranting about how everything wasn't his fault, even though he left.
Well, you said it was a big truck. It wasn't a big truck. It was a small white truck. It was a Toyota Tacoma, factory, not lifted or anything. And he did have damage.
A Tacoma isn't that big of a truck, okay?
He had a lot of damage, actually. Your Massachusetts license is expired as well. Give me a quick rundown before we get out real quick on how the crash happened again. Now, this is again, I told you before, this is a completely different investigation into the crash. I'm asking because of the criminal nature of everything.
So, I had my right turn. I was turning into off of 713 onto that other part of 713.
Persnickety, you can just shorten it to massholes. You don't have to say an asshole for Massachusetts. They're massholes.
I was being very careful with a lot of traffic coming fast, taking my time, and then I started to approach into the right lane, and then just as I was in the right lane, my experience was that he hit me from behind. I was jolted, kind of whipped, and I pulled over to the right to see if there was damage. I was a little shocked, and so it might take me a second. I pulled over to the right, hopped out of my car. He didn't get out. I quickly looked, and the sun was such that I didn't see any damage. To me, he had a big white truck. That's the way I call it, a white truck. I just, it was a larger vehicle than mine.
Why's it got to be white?
And I didn't see the damage
Isms.
on my thing. I thought he would apologize because it was clear he hit me from behind. He didn't. He was kind of nasty. He was saying some story, and I said, "That's ridiculous." I said, and he goes, "Well, and I said, "What do we do? Do you want to exchange number?" He said, "We have to pull into the gas station." I said, "I don't have the time. I don't see any damage."
Oh my God.
That's the way it's done, buddy. So obviously he has more experience than me. And
Then why didn't you heed that experience?
My stupidity and ignorance, because I haven't been in an accident. And I said, "It's okay, I've got to go." He was taking pictures of my license, so I went to the back to get a picture of his license in case.
By license, you mean license plate, right?
License plate. In case anything, in case I needed it.
Did you ever give him any of your information?
I didn't. I
No?
didn't think,
Okay.
It was my stupid fault, but I didn't think anything had happened. I thought, I'm still not late for work. It was his fault. He's getting off easy. I'm just going to go. And I didn't think it was a hit and run or anything like that. I mean, it's total ignorance on my part.
Okay.
But
Idiot.
if there's any camera footage, I would be certain that it would show that my story is the correct one.
Okay.
Okay.
We're going to get out and go inside the jail now.
All right.
All right.
Uh-huh. What an idiot.
This is why you don't let your child drive drunk.
I know you've been drinking.
I hope you f***ing die on duty!
Meet the
Oh my
father
God.
who thought it was a good idea.
No, but you guys are a bunch of
And the daughter who just couldn't stop herself. Two officers pulled a
Jesus.
vehicle over for crossing the center stripe. As the vehicle pulls over, its front right tire appears to strike the curb. Take notice of the passenger's attempts to control the conversation.
Reason why I pulled you over is because you were kind of crossing over the line.
We weren't though.
Sorry, I thought I was completely...
We were at Mugsy's for a couple and whatever.
Okay, how much you had to drink?
I haven't had anything.
We were at Mugsy's for a couple and
Oh no.
I don't have my driver's license on me, actually.
No, she was just driving me home because it's my birthday today, so.
I put my parking...
I live right up the road here.
I can give you my name, but I can't give you my driver's license.
That's fine, that'll work.
I have the same name as his. My first name is
And so far as driving, we didn't do anything wrong, so I know you're both.
Well, I'm just making sure everyone's safe, all right? So.
But everything was fine. And
Okay,
perfectly straight down the damn road, so it's like, okay.
By some miracle, I made it home alive. Not a scratch on me or the car.
Perfectly straight down the
All right.
I'm just letting you know now, I do not have a valid license. I have
Awesome.
a license.
Nothing to drink tonight?
No, I was just driving him home.
So what? So she's 15 and driving drunk? Is that what she's saying?
Yeah, like I said, it's my birthday today, so...
Just stay in the vehicle. I'll be right back with
Yes.
you two, all right?
Thank you.
She's 20?
But she's going to deny more than someone who's not 20.
Okay. Hey, sir. Can you do me a favor real quick? Can you just turn off the vehicle and step out real quick?
Jesus.
I know you've been drinking. All right.
Sorry.
The question is, how much have you been drinking?
I've had maybe
2! Always 2! Always 2!
Okay.
I got to Muskego at like 11.
Jade Monkey. America's a fascist police state, says stoned underage drunk driver.
20.
True.
My dad at the bar, which was Mugsy's, and I've had one drink since then. Since I
One
met
drink
my
of
dad.
what?
One drink of a twisted tea.
Okay. Well, you just said you had 2.
Yeah, uh-oh.
Okay.
No! God
damn it. At Mugsy's around 11:30.
No, I'm doesn't.
All right. So I'm just going to do a series of tests on you to make sure it's okay to drive, all right?
Okay.
First of all, what's your highest level of education?
My highest level.
Highest level of education.
Highless? Her highless level?
That's not fair.
Why is that?
What does that mean? What?
I'm just asking.
It's just
you.
a question.
My highest level of education is 11th grade.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Are you familiar with the English alphabet?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Well, I just want to make sure just for this next test.
Yeah.
So,
I'm not an idiot.
What I want you to recite the alphabet from C as in Charles to Y as in Young, without singing it. Okay.
C.
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O.
K, L, M, N, O, P.
She fucked me up.
Said until whatever.
P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
I'm sorry, I don't know what you said to end it.
Okay. C as in Charles to Y as in Young.
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
Okay. For this next test, what I want you to do is I want you to count down from 57 to 42. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52,
2,
51,
1.
49, 48,
Oh, whoops.
47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 39,
What?
40, 39,
What?
38, 37, 36, 35, 32.
Okay. All right. So for this next test, what I want you to do is I want you to face towards me.
Okay.
Put your feet together like so. Keep your hands tight to your side. I want you to stay in a position. What I want you to do, you see the tip of my finger?
Mm-hmm.
I want you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only, keeping your head still. Do you understand me?
I got you.
Okay.
As the officer moves his finger back and forth, take notice of how much the suspect sways forward and back.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What I want you to do is I want you to pretend there's an imaginary straight line in front of you, like so, okay?
Okay, I'm warning you right now that I'm really bad with coordination.
Oh, I bet.
So I'm just warning you, I might not do the best at this
That's all right. Are you willing to do the test?
I'm willing to do the test, but I'm just saying I don't know how much of that my sobriety that could count towards because I am a really imbalanced person.
Okay.
Oh my God.
That was 9 both ways,
Okay.
correct?
You tell me. Was that 9?
Yeah, that was 9.
Okay.
Both ways.
All right. So for this next test, what I want you to do is I want you to face towards me. I want you to keep your hands tight, or keep your hands tight to your side, feet together.
Hey, Sam, I am. Thank you for the 35 months, man.
It's okay.
Appreciate it.
Keep your feet together. Feet together. Stay in that position until I tell you to do so. Otherwise, you understand me?
I understand you.
When I tell you to start, what you're going to do is you're going to raise either your left or your right, whichever one you prefer, approximately 6 inches above the ground, so about the height of a soda can.
Okay.
I want that raised foot to be parallel to the ground, and I want both legs to be straight. When you do that, I want you to look at your raised foot and count a series of 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, and so on until I tell you to stop. So, all right, any questions for me?
No.
All right, you may begin.
Uh-oh. Oh my God.
It's okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Forzent.
5,
5-any.
7,
September.
8.
Sizzle.
All right, you can relax. All right, so for this next test, what we're going to do is we're going to do a personal breathalyzer test.
Bear in mind, Wisconsin is one of 13 states that adopted a not-a-drop law, which prohibits anyone under the age of 21 from operating a motor vehicle with any alcohol in their system.
Uh-oh.
Give a nice deep breath like you're blowing up a balloon, okay? So it's 0 now.
Okay, how long do I need to blow? Because I'm telling you, I
Like
have really
maybe
bad.
4 seconds.
4 seconds. Okay, ready?
It's got to be in here though. Hang on, time out. Time out.
No! What the?
Stay here for me.
Woo! Lord.
Wait, can I pick that up because that's littering?
Don't worry, it's biodegradable.
Yes.
1080?
Yes.
Okay, I'm good with that. Still climbing.
Can you please pick
.108.
All right. Sir, I'm
Just take-
sorry.
just
I'm
take-
just.
take a deep
I
breath.
really don't like people littering. It's.
Okay.
It's,
What the fuck?
I'll pick
there's
it
been
up.
Okay.
problems the past few years. You know that.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Hey, Sierra, can you turn around real quick? Place your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for OWI, okay?
Okay.
Yep.
What did I blow?
We'll go through that in a little bit.
Can you tell me
freeze.
what I blew and what's legal and everything, please?
You're up there. Well, I mean, you know what you drank, right?
Can you hold it
No,
real
I
quick?
don't because my
Hold it real
dad
quick.
is completely unaware. I've had maybe 2 drinks
There we
since
go.
I've gotten
Okay.
here.
Uh-huh.
I'm sure you heard that.
What's the problem here?
She's saying that she's been drinking a little bit before she's with you.
Maybe.
So she's up there where she. To be quite frank with you, for OWI right now. It's a first offense.
Under Wisconsin law, a driver's first drunk driving offense is a civil infraction, which typically carries a $200 fine and demerit points against the driver's license.
As long as we can find somebody sober to pick her up, she's not going to have to go to jail or anything like that.
The suspect will be arrested and detained, typically long enough to sober up and then released. Of course, that's assuming the suspect doesn't commit any other crimes.
Uh-oh.
There's somebody you can think of
Foreshadowing.
that would be sober, able to pick her up within like an hour
What
and
are
a
you
half.
talking about? I live right down the road from the police station. Can I go pick her up?
I'm not doing anything more
Sierra.
that you asked me to. No, I'm
Sierra.
not doing any more tests.
Sierra.
I mean, really? I mean, come on.
Yeah, that'd work.
Son of a bitch.
Yeah, for your.
Oh, she's ringing. She's ringing.
I need you to cooperate, all right? Just stop
Uh-oh.
resisting.
Stop.
You're going to make this worse for you.
Did you get
Sierra.
it safety locked?
Nope.
Get him,
Sierra.
get him safety locked.
Safety locking or double locking cuffs prevents the cuffs from tightening on a
Yes,
suspect when
Deadpool,
they
I did.
resist.
Jim, keep an eye on him. I got
What the f are you gonna do about it?
Sierra, just relax.
Uh-oh.
What are you gonna do about it?
Uh-oh.
Hurt me?
Just relax.
Uh-oh.
We're not gonna hurt you. Just relax.
Just relax.
Going up. No. You guys are gonna f me. It's so bad.
Sierra, just relax.
No.
We're good.
Sierra, here's what's gonna happen, okay? We gotta search you before you put in the car.
No.
Sierra.
Sierra.
Oh, God.
Resisting.
Oh.
Sierra.
Shrieking.
Sierra.
Sierra, stop resisting.
We're gonna put her on the ground. Search her. Here you go.
Stop resisting, Sierra. Stay there. Stay there, sir. Sierra, stop resisting. No, Sierra, you're hurting yourself. Stop resisting.
Just relieve a little bit of pressure as much as you can without letting her out. Sierra, we have to search you before we put you in the car.
Oh my God.
Sierra, stop.
Just trying to outdo the siren.
We got her under control. Just search her. We haven't searched her yet.
Sierra, stop resisting.
Sam, sit on her legs.
We're gonna need the van, or is she gonna cool down?
No, we're gonna need the van.
After allowing his
No,
daughter
we're
to
gonna need the
drive
van.
drunk, the father begins to justify his child's tantrum to the officer.
So with the way this is going, I don't know if we're going to be able to
You know,
follow.
we just didn't even have to go that way because you guys had no right to fucking pull us over.
It had no right to pull us over.
She's crossing over the center line.
Bullshit.
I was
You
in the
know
same car as
goddamn
him.
well, you know goddamn well she didn't do that.
You think
I
we
was
just pick?
watching, I'm driving along with her. She didn't do that. You guys just pulled her over for no fucking reason at all.
Why would? Do you think I want to do this right now?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Are those cuffs untied enough?
I don't think so, no.
This one's not. This one's gonna fall.
I'll get it. I'll get it with mine. Careful.
Stop kicking.
Oh my God.
Worry about the cuffs right now. Yep.
Sierra.
Oh, she's not gonna listen.
No,
I
I'm
tried.
gonna ask her, is that her name?
Yeah, that's what I was
Is alcohol on board tonight?
Where's she at?
She's kind of a 0.15. That's for us. Continue.
Oh. It looked like it was 0.15.
Stay there.
I heard just.
My God.
Just stay over here. Yep, go back to your house, please. Okay, thank you, appreciate it.
I just heard screams.
Okay, yep, thanks.
No, it really is the way it works.
So
You guys are a bunch of
Do you have anything
bitches.
else to do here? Because you're free to go.
No, but you guys are a bunch of bitches, and you know it.
That's very nice of you. I'll take that to heart.
Yeah.
Honestly, I think we see where yeah, I think we see where she's getting her attitude from.
I'll write about my diary when I go home tonight. But you're not going to be dealing with her anymore tonight. So you're not going to be able to get involved in this.
Sierra.
All right. We'll roll you on your side.
We'll roll your side.
Just stay right there. You're okay. Yep, we got her.
Sierra, you gotta stop kicking.
You just gotta chill. Just stay on her legs.
I can't breathe.
You can breathe. You're on your side. You're
I can't breathe.
You gotta calm down, though. You're giving yourself hyperventilation. Try to
Sierra.
calm down.
We
just
got
gotta
it.
calm down.
We got it. Yeah, we got her. You just gotta relax a little bit, Sierra, okay? You gotta chill.
Sierra, if you keep screaming, you're not gonna be able to breathe.
But it's true. She's gonna wear herself out.
Well, how do I pick my daughter up, asshole?
You'd have to A, sober up, and then B, pick her up.
Pick her up from jail.
I don't really have to sober up nothing. Pick her up in jail. What do you mean jail?
She's gonna be going to jail since she's acting like this. We can't book somebody like this.
Dude, let her the go. She's got mental. You get it?
Then she probably shouldn't be twice the legal limit driving.
Dude, really? I mean, she has actual issues.
Then what the hell is she doing driving drunk?
Okay?
I'm not saying I don't believe you.
Let me pick her up from the police station, please.
If you want, I can call you and let you know where she ends
He
up.
says she's bleeding from where?
Come on.
She's putting herself in this situation right now. I understand the underlying issues, but there's not a whole lot we can do with this.
You can though. You know you can't.
We can't.
What do you mean you can't?
She was operating while intoxicated.
Yeah,
Number
okay,
one.
so you can't just take her to the police station. I can pick her up.
Say again?
Why?
How are we supposed to fingerprint somebody who's acting like that?
She'll calm down. I calm her down.
Sir,
if you let
sir,
me
you can
talk.
say all you want. She was already obstructing or resisting. You can see right now she's not under control.
I hope you fucking die!
Ow.
Uh.
That was
I hope you fucking die on duty!
That's rude.
Piece of fucking shit!
Well, that's not very nice.
Call them
While
pigs.
the suspect hopes the cops die,
Scream ACAB. Do it.
the cops hold her sideways to maximize her airflow and ensure no pressure is being put on her chest, and speak to her calmly to help prevent further hyperventilating.
You gotta chill. Sierra, you gotta chill up.
Whatever! Get the fuck off of me!
You can still talk to her, but
No, Patrick, she was his designated driver. Because he's drunk too. But she was the DD. That's the thing.
doesn't change anything.
It would change a lot. believe
Okay.
me. All right, please, let me talk to her.
She's in our custody. We're responsible for whatever happens to her, so right now she's staying with us.
Come on.
He was bringing the van, right? Yeah. Okay.
Alright, well, you tell him to bring his fucking van!
We're bringing the
And
van.
take me the fuck away from you, stupid, immature, illiterate, stupid pieces of shit!
Okay.
No, she's 20.
Just breathe.
Just breathe, you stupid cow!
Are you? Ow.
I'm saying that you let me talk to her. I can calm her the down.
Yeah, that's the dad.
Sir, that boat has sailed.
This is why people want you guys, you know, off
There it is.
the streets when it comes.
There it is. You're earning the hate. Oh, he's going auditor mode. You're earning the hate.
Mental health issues because you can't deal with it. You don't know anything about mental health issues.
After consulting with a mental health expert, we were able to confirm that allowing your daughter to drive drunk is actually a parenting issue.
You know what? Oh, you know what? Screw it. I can't hate on Midwest from using AI, because you know what? At least they got the humor. They got the humor for it. So you know what? I don't mind Midwest using AI.
Yes, you can't handle it. You guys can handle it. You're.
It's Midwest Safety is the channel.
Oh, we gotta go by a book. We just. Oh, we arrest somebody.
Okay. I get it. You're unhappy, but
No, I'm very unhappy. You're a fucking piece of shit, dude.
Yeah, I got that.
Yeah, you.
So are you done?
Yeah, I guess I'm done.
Okay. You need anything out of your truck?
Yeah.
What do you need?
Don't ever fucking say hi to me. I'll tell you that right now.
Okay.
He's still screaming bloody murder.
I'll get anything I want out of my truck. I'm in a passenger seat, bitch. So guess what? You can't tell me what to do or what to get out of my truck or what I can do
You're already out of the truck, sir.
in this city because I'm not driving a fucking vehicle, am I? So you, all right? You. Yeah, I'm about done.
Okay. Well, I'll wait until you're completely done then.
Yeah.
And tell you what, if you hold still, I'm gonna take a look at your wrist here, okay?
You stupid piece of shit! I hope you fucking die!
Okay. Sierra.
Oh my goodness.
Here's what's gonna happen, okay?
God damn it. This channel's great.
Die! You fiery corpse of fucking bullshit! I hope you die! I hope you die! I hope you die on the line of duty, being a
Damn.
stupid piece of shit, exactly like you are.
Hold still.
Let me the f go.
Okay, so here's what's gonna happen.
Now or I'll fucking sue you.
Lawsuit.
I will literally fucking sue you.
That's fine. So
Let
here's
me the f
what's gonna happen.
0 officers.
Okay. If you cooperate, we can talk about getting you out of the.
I'm gonna cooperate because you're not fucking crazy. You're fucking crazy, and you're gonna let me go.
We're gonna get you in the restraint chair, okay?
In situations where police are unable to gain control of the suspect, officers sometimes employ the use of a restraint chair, specifically designed to keep the suspect
Oh, she getting the chair?
in place in order to prevent them from injuring themselves or others.
Oh God, she's got the chair too.
You're gonna go home at some point. You're a stupid piece of shit.
Sierra!
All right, we're not doing this. We're not doing the screaming thing back and forth.
You're embarrassing your dad right now. You're embarrassing him. I hope you know that. Did he get out? Yeah.
Oh, she slipped cuffs. Oh my God, we should have saved this for body cam. Damn it.
Hold on.
Okay.
I got it. I locked it.
Sierra, don't pull away. We can turn you over as soon as we get you back in the handcuffs. Sierra, you need to.
I know this might be worth a rewatch.
Yeah,
This is definitely definitely a bingo.
Well, we're going to as soon as we get you back in the handcuffs.
Yeah, we can stop it right there though. We can stop. We'll save the rest if we watch the finale later for a body cam bingo. Okay. I don't think I'm actually going to do the Dragon Ball Z abridged. I know I said I was. I'm sorry, but while this beer is actually, it tastes good, it is giving me a serious headache. So I got to stop. Like, no joke, I have a serious headache, and I think it's the beer, even though it tastes good. But I gotta stop, guys. I gotta let you go, and I gotta go. Catch up on some Fallout. But I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna drink some water. And I will see you guys next time, okay? I'll probably want to stream some Fallout during the day tomorrow. But I might also need to take care of the lawn. Assuming it's going to be a dry day today, hopefully. All right, guys, take care. Have a nice day. Have a nice evening, I should say. See ya. Thanks for having me. Thank you, all of you, for your wonderful tips and donations. Please hit that like button, and please check out my Discord, all right? Adios.